Welcome everyone to today's wonderful edition in which we'll be looking at a very serious question coming from a 2023 G.C.E past paper. So we are considering a question coming from geometry, and the question says 4 terms A, which is on position 70 degrees north, 65 west, and B 70 north, 65 east, C 70 south, 65 east, and D, which is on 70 south and 65 west on the surface of the earth. So now we're required to consider pi as 3.142 and the radius of the earth as 3437 in nautical miles. So now we are required, the first question says, can you sketch the position, sketch the earth and show the position of those 4 terms. So what you do is as simple as this. You simply draw the sketch of the globe. This is our globe, and then we indicate this will be our south pole and north pole. So we begin putting this. So A is on 70 degrees north. This is the latitude. So you sketch somewhere here. We have 70 degrees north, 65 degrees west. So this is a longitude which is on the western side of the prime meridian. So this is 65 degrees west. That is our longitude. So where the 2 imaginary lines meet, this is where we have our point A. And point B is on 70 degrees north, the same latitude and longitude is 65 degrees east. So this time around, it is that side. So we have 65 degrees east. So this is our longitude, 65 east. Then point C is on 70 degrees south. So we sketch 70 degrees south and 65 degrees east. So the same east. So this is where we of our C, and of course B is there. Then point D is on 70 degrees south, the same latitude and longitude 65 degrees west. So D is coming right here. So by doing so, it simply means we have answered question A. As simple as that. Then shall we go to question B, where we are required to find AB along latitude 70 degrees north. So from A to B. So now, remember, this is a latitude, and because A and B are sharing a latitude, therefore, to find the distance from A to B, it is important we know how to find that distance along the latitude. And the formula is, you write AB is equal to, the same AB is equals to theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi capital R, then cos latitude. So of course we understand very well what we mean there. Then we begin filling up in our formula there. So we have AB is equal to theta. Theta will be the angle difference between A and B. In other words, we are saying the difference in longitudes between town A and town B. So now, what you simply do is look at the longitudes where A and B are. So this is 65 degrees west. This is 65 degrees east. So now, to find the difference there, you have to understand that if the 2 points are on the same hemisphere, we subtract. If they are on different hemispheres, we add. So in this case, this is east, this is west. So we should add. And we are adding 65 and 65. So which is giving us 130 degrees. That will be the angle difference we put on theta. So we have 130 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi. 3.142 multiplied by R, which is the radius of the earth. So we are finding in nautical miles, meaning we consider the same radius of the earth. So which will be 3437 multiplied by cos latitude. Cos latitude will be the same latitude which is being shared by down A and down B. That is 70 degrees. Then we punch those figures until we get the answer. So now we have 130 divided by 360, then multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3.142, multiplied by 3437, multiplied by cos 70. So we are getting, therefore, AB will be equal to, this is equal to 2,667.52 nm or nautical miles. This is the distance between A and B in nautical miles. By doing so, it means we have answered B1. Then shall we go to B2? So B2 says find the distance between B and C. Of course, along longitude 65 degrees east. So now, here we have BC now. Now, what is again important here is to understand that B and C are on the same longitude. So because they are on the same longitude, therefore, we simply consider the formula for along a longitude. So the formula is similar to this one for latitude, except that we will exclude cos latitude. So we're going to have theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi capital R. That is the radius of the Earth. So BC is equal to, this time around, the theta as well will be the difference or the angle difference between B and C. That is the difference in latitudes between B and C. So we do the same. So we check. B is on 70 north and C is on 70 south. So the two towns are on different hemispheres. Therefore we add. So we add 70 and 70, which will give us 140. So 140 is what we are putting on the theta. We're going to have 140 over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by the radius of the Earth, which is in nautical miles 3437. That is 3437. Then after that, we simply now, therefore, BC is equal to, we punch those figures the way we are seeing them. So we have 140 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 3437 is giving us, so between B and C we have 8,399.26 nautical miles. This will be the distance along longitude 65 degrees east between B and C. So we've come to the end of our question. And remember, if you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing and hit the bell for notifications of new videos of such kind. See you next time.